my god. Oh my god. Hi you guys, it's Pepsi come back to you with another freaking video, and today I will be teaching you how to make corned beef. Now there's a lot of ways to eat corned beef. There's a lot of ways to make corned beef. One of the ways is to make a sandwich out of it, which is very good. But my way is I love eating it with cabbage and baked macaroni. So that will be our meal for today, but I only will be showing y'all how to make corned beef. Okay, so you can get your corned beef from anywhere. So all you want to do is cut this open and wash off the meat. You see how bloody this is? Y'all make sure y'all clean y'all sink. But if you don't like putting your meat in a sink, that's your problem. Okay, do it how you want to do it. If you want to take this meat and put it in a bowl and then wash it up, go ahead, by all means do that. But I'm doing mine in the sink, a clean sink. Okay, so this is the reason why you want to wash off your meat, because it's covered in blood. Okay, so I will be right back to you after I'm done washing off the meat. So this is what your meat should look like once it's cleaned off. I wash mine off with water and vinegar. You can wash yours off with salt water if you want to. But all of the packages of corned beef comes with this little seasoning package right here. All I'm going to do is sprinkle this in here. Now I'm going to take this pot right here and then fill it with cool water. Now all I'm about to do is place this on the stove for about 2 hours. Exactly 2 hours, to be honest. And I'm going to cook it on medium-high heat. The reason why I am boiling the corned beef before placing it directly into the oven is because it's high in sodium. So you do not want to just cook the meat and then eat it. You have to boil the sodium out of the meat. Okay, so the meat have been cooking for 2 hours, exactly 2 hours. So right now, I'm about to take it off the stove and I'm going to place it in my pan. I'm going to show y'all the seasonings that I use. Okay, now y'all, this is what it's looking like. I do have it in the pan that I'm going to use to place it in the oven. And now all you want to do is take some garlic salt, some seasoning salt, and just sprinkle it on top of the meat. Do not rub the seasoning all over the meat because corned beef is already naturally salty. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is sprinkle some garlic salt on top. And some seasoning salt. When I say this is all you need, this is all you need. Nothing more, nothing less. Now you want to take some aluminum foil and cover the pan up and then place it in the oven at 365 for 1 hour. Exactly 1 hour. You do not want to overcook this meat. So it's time to reveal how this is looking. So it's been cooking for exactly 1 hour. So in total, this corned beef cooked for exactly 3 hours. Okay. And if you do it how I do it, yours will come out looking the exact same way. Tell me this don't look so good. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this, baby? Do y'all see this? So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this small little video. I just really wanted to make a video for y'all because I've been gone, and you know, I just thought y'all would love another cooking video. So stay tuned to the end when I will show you the finishing plate. let's get into this. Let's get into this, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. But anyways, peace out. Y'all, this is what it's looking like cut up. Let me take a piece from the middle and show y'all. So y'all see that masterpiece right there. Looks so good. And yes, it's supposed to be pinkish reddish.